kind of golden hour, but it's like way too bright, so I have to put my blinds down because I just get too much lighting in the room. I got this new bracelet. It has this like little, what is this, like flower embeddings. It has pearl on it. It's very me coated, silver and pearls. That's me. But I'm going to head out because there's the Gentle Salon pop-up in New York City. I'm so excited, and I do want to check out the collab. I know there's some controversy around it, but I do think the idea is still really cool. And it's not too far away, so I'm gonna go bike there. And today is finally like a good day to enjoy the sun, watch the sunset, and it's Thursday, so it's like a precursor to a really nice weekend. So I'm gonna do like a weekend in my life. This isn't typical, doing things like back to back, but I have friends visiting, so that's why this weekend is going to be exciting.
We're not going home tonight, alright? We get up the party, up and down, round and round. It's the spot. Up to don't you know which side you're
The city feels so alive right now. But so I just checked out the pop-up, and it was really nice. It was, I would say it's pretty on par. This is probably one of the nicer pop-ups that I've been to in New York, but everything was sold out, of course. But I don't think any particular sunglass like stood out to me, just because it's always like that type of shape, and I already have 2 pairs of Gentle Monsters, so I like interchanging between them. Like, the only fun part of this one is that they have little charms on them, and then at the same time it's by Jennie, so of course everyone wants it. But I'm glad that there's nothing that I like really wanted, and plus it was all sold out. I hope you can hear me. Plus it was all sold out, so couldn't get it if I really wanted to anyways.
So Broadway is the balance together.
Today, it's finally Friday, and I'm gonna be going to hang out with a few friends that are visiting in New York for the weekend. And so we're gonna go out to eat, just have fun, vibe. It's gonna be a pretty packed weekend, but I'm really excited. This is the outfit for tonight. I got this like mesh crocheted top that I got vintage in Korea, but it was at like A-Land. And then the trousers is like came with the skirt. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so comfy, and I love the like different layering pieces. I'm spicing up my style a little bit today. But this one is from Coco in Japan, and I love Coco. And of course, gonna bring my favorite purse. It's so cute.
This is cute.
My friends!
Oh, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Who are you? Who are you?
Amber,
Annie.
and we are here to live with Tammy.
Yes.
Each off of her.
Oh, I'm so excited. I love having people over. But we're currently just exploring the financial district, and then we're gonna go get dinner,
Yes.
Chinese food. But yeah, we're currently in financial district, just looking at Twin Towers and the memorial.
Yeah, super cool.
Yeah.
So these are the outfits.
Bitches.
for introduction. She is our host for the next few days. I met her in Taiwan.
I'm so excited for them to be here.
It's so exciting.
No, because we've been talking about it for so long, and now that you guys are here.
Finally did it.
Yes. Yeah. Unknowingly, we're here in Times Square. The cameras are out. Okay, so this is okra salad, and this is the chili beef, crispy chili beef. Oh yeah, I want to hear about your boyfriend.
When you get you guys set, there's gonna be a terrace on the outside. She wants to move here.
I'm coming back.
It's always so fun having friends visit New York, especially people who have never been here, because like I love just seeing their expressions and reactions to how New York is like to them, because it's always so different. And then on top of that, like it's just so fun hanging out with them, catching up, and enjoying the city in like a new perspective, because they point out things that I've never seen before, and then it's just always so fun. But right now I'm gonna be meeting up with another friend to watch The Lion King. It's on Broadway, and so we're gonna catch it with Disney, and we'll see it, because I've never been to a Broadway show before, so this one will be really fun, and I hope they do some singing. I don't know anything about The Lion King, to be honest, for Broadway. I watched the shows, not the shows, the films, but yeah, let's go. New York is so fun. So excited.
I used to roll my eyes, I just couldn't sympathize with cards on Valentine's Day.
How can I hear it?
Who say babe. I used to take my pride in a way that
Oh my gosh, I've been rotting all day. I'm doing my pillowcases in the laundry. Don't worry, I'm not feral and don't have pillow sheets, but I've been just rotting all morning doing nothing. My social battery has actually been completely drained. I've been just going out every day since Thursday, and I need some time for myself. And my friends just left to they're staying at a hotel now. They were staying with me for 2 days and now they're gonna go to hotel. But it was so nice having them here because my place right now, I'm not friends with my roommate, so it just feels like sometimes there's like a bit of tension in the house and it's not lively as it was before. So it's just that like coming home sometimes is a little depressing because there's no one there to greet you as a friend or to like talk to you about how your day is. So yeah, that's why I do want to find a place in New York to live with my friends. So I am doing a bit of apartment hunting. We'll see how that goes because currently rent is actually so insanely expensive in New York compared to last year. So we'll see if that goes as planned. But yeah, social battery has been drained. Just been doing time for myself, catching up on whatever is on TikTok that I missed the past few days, which is nothing really productive, but you know, this is how I heal my mental health, which is screen time, which it's probably not the best thing to do, but it's a type of thing where you can detox and just turn off your brain. So that's the stuff that I like to do when I'm rotting in bed. Turn off my brain. Like even reading a book sometimes I'm like, oh, I have to like comprehend it. Going out at 3:30 to go to the Standard, which is a hotel by the High Line, and apparently it's like a really nice place just to like check out. So I'm curious because there's like a party happening and Amber was invited, so Annie and I are her 2+1s. So I think that will be really fun to experience. I'm such an experiential person, so that if I miss anything, the biggest FOMO comes out. So I like attending events, experiences, doing things, making memories. Yeah, that's my biggest love language. But I'm literally gonna just continue rotting in bed until 3 and then I leave at 3:30. Okay, more screen time. Faces I loved, who always believed in who I'd become, the highs and the lows.